有2000多年的历史，在古代，巴中两国的人民都创造了灿烂的文化。
Pakistan deeply values its friendship with China. It remains our abiding endeavor to strengthen cooperation with China. We deeply appreciate China's support to Pakistan on various regional and international issues.
巴基斯坦十分珍视与中国之间的友谊，我们坚定致力于加强双方的合作，感谢中方在双边、地区和国际事务上给予巴方的支持。
China has also been a major partner in our socio-economic development. A number of heavy industries which have a key role in our national development have been set up with the help and cooperation of the People's Republic of China.
中国还是巴基斯坦实现经济和社会发展的重要伙伴，在巴基斯坦国家发展中扮演了重要角色的许多重工业，都是在中方的帮助和中方合作下完成的。
The long-standing ties of friendship between the two countries are underpinned by mutual trust, solid confidence, and creating synergy to build mutually beneficial relationship for progress and social harmony in our two countries as well as in Asia and beyond.
两国之间长期的友谊是建立在两国之间高度的相互信任、相互的信心，以及共同推进我们共同利益的各项努力的基础之上的。我们两国携手合作，推进两国的社会和谐以及亚洲和全球的和谐发展。
Pakistan supports China on all its core issues. We support One China policy and condemn any attempt to undermine China's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
在中方所有核心利益的问题上，坚定地支持中方的立场，坚定奉行一个中国的政策，并谴责任何破坏中国主权和领土完整的行为。
We share the ideals of a safe, secure, and prosperous neighborhood with our region, free from strife and conflict, and a world embracing peace, harmony, and understanding. We want this vision to be translated into reality.
巴中两国都有这样共同的理想，有一个和平和繁荣的周边地区，没有战乱和冲突，致力于世界的和平、和谐与相互理解。巴中两国致力于共同使这一愿景成为现实。
There is a convergence of interest of our two countries on the global and regional levels and commonality of approach to advance the international agenda for peace and prosperity.
巴中两国在众多地区和全球事务上拥有共同的利益，并共同致力于推进世界的和平与繁荣。
Our comprehensive cooperation and robust partnership is in the fundamental interest of our peoples and conducive to peace, progress, and stability of Asia.
两国全方位的合作和友谊符合两国和两国人民的根本利益，也有力推动亚洲地区的和平、进步与稳定。
A unique characteristic of Pakistan-China relationship has been that it is not directed against any country. Peace and stability in our region is inextricably linked to the constructive role being played by China.
巴中双边关系的一个突出特点，就是巴中双边关系的发展不针对任何第三方。中方为推进本地区的和平与稳定发挥了重要的建设性作用。
We desire a peaceful environment in our region in the interest of our development and to raise the living standards of our people. Consistent with this aspiration, we seek peaceful resolution of all issues with India, including the long-standing Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Success in this endeavor would usher in a new era of peace, and prosperity in South Asia.
我们希望一个和平的地区环境，这符合我们国家发展的利益，也能够帮助我们提高人民的生活水平。我们寻求以和平的方式与印度共同解决包括克什米尔问题在内的众多问题。我相信这些努力的成功将会为整个南亚地区的和平与繁荣做出贡献。
Similarly, a stable Afghanistan will open up vast opportunities for Pakistan and indeed for the regional countries.
同样，一个稳定的阿富汗也会给巴基斯坦以及本地区其他国家带来机会。
We are opposed to any policy which aims at containing progress or impeding peace and development in the region.
巴方将继续奉行推进进步、为本地区和平与稳定做出贡献的政策。
Ladies and gentlemen, exchange of high-level visits has been a unique feature of Sino-Pak relationship. Your visit, Premier Wen Jiabao, is undoubtedly another outstanding landmark in the all-dimensional friendship and cooperative partnership between Pakistan and China.
频繁的高层交往是中巴关系的另一个重要特征。温家宝总理阁下对巴这次进行的访问，是巴中之间全方位友谊与合作的又一个具有里程碑意义的重要事件。
We are confident that the decision to institutionalize this feature into annual summit will contribute to further reinforcing all-round cooperation and taking our partnership to even greater heights.
我们相信，建立两国领导人之间的定期会晤机制，将进一步加强巴中两国在各领域的合作，使巴中伙伴关系提升到新的高度。
Mr. Premier, I wish you health and happiness, and the Chinese government and people a peaceful and prosperous future. Long live Pakistan-China friendship. Thank you.
中巴友谊万岁！谢谢。
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolute honor to invite His Excellency Wen Jiabao, Premier of the People's Republic of China, to address today's event.
लंदन से इस वक्त स्टेज पर तशरीफ ला रहे हैं, रोस्ट्रम पर वो खड़े हो चुके हैं और अब से थोड़ी देर बाद वो खिताब शुरू करेंगे।
尊敬的基拉尼总理、女士们、先生们、朋友们，
Prime Minister Ghallini, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends.
首先感谢基拉尼总理刚才发表的热情洋溢